Are you looking for a MSI pre-built gaming PC? In this video, I will show you the best MSI pre-built gaming PCs in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the MSI Infinite X Plus 9 SE272 US. MSI Gaming Desktop is built with MSI RTX 20 series graphics cards. With up to 40% performance gains over the previous GTX 10 series, MSI RTX 20 series graphics also have enhanced cooling efficiency, featuring a dual fan design and the double ball bearings to ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you are a gamer looking for a fantastic in-game experience with the performance headroom for smooth live streaming and seamless highlights recording, spend less time waiting with Intel Core i7 processors ready to take you to that new level. The fourth product on the list is the MSI Aegis T3. Unmatched in performance and extraordinary in design, the Aegis series are at the top of MSI's gaming desktop lineup and meant for gamers that demand the very best. Armed with the most advanced graphics cards, the most refined audio technologies, the best cooling, and packed with unlimited gaming features, the Aegis series are the best of true PC gaming. MSI Gaming Desktop has its own set of unique advantages, developed with MSI's GAME unlimited values in mind. Entrenched with gaming performance, absolute gaming DNA, magnificent audio, and essential connectivity, MSI Gaming Desktops will get you to game unlimited. Integrating the very best of cutting-edge technologies on MSI hardware provides a smooth VR ride. Through joint efforts with major VR brands, combined with unique MSI features geared to VR, MSI brings gamers and VR professionals a vivid and realistic experience in which content truly comes alive. Cooling is essential for gaming systems, especially while playing the latest games. MSI Gaming Desktops have a customized thermal design to cool all essential components and make sure your system stays cool and runs stable at peak performance during long gaming sessions. The third product on the list is the Trident 3 Arctic 9th. Built with the latest 9th Gen Intel Core i7 processors, experience smooth gameplay and faster rendering by up to 50% boost in CPU performance. The GeForce GTX 1660Ti and 1660 are built with the breakthrough graphics performance of the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture. With performance that rivals the GeForce GTX 1070, it's a blazing fast supercharger for today's most popular games, and even faster with modern titles. Powerful cooling doesn't have to be loud. Trident 3 Arctic optimize airflow by separating the CPU and GPU in different chambers. Keep both the heat and noise level low. The second product on the list is the Infinite 9th. Exclusive cooling for the CPU, GPU, and power supply. Game smoothly under extreme conditions. Conveniently bring your power with you to any event or LAN party. The MSI Infinite Gaming PC is built for gamers with a never-ending desire to game. Housing world's best gaming hardware and featuring many tools to truly play the way you want, the Infinite PC is there to outlast you in countless hours of gaming. Challenge your own limits. The most powerful generation of Intel Core desktop processors. Whether you are a gamer looking for a fantastic in-game experience with the performance headroom for smooth live streaming and seamless highlights recording, or you are a creator that is ready to do more creating and sharing, less time waiting, this new generation of processors is ready to take you to that new level. This revolutionary architecture, combined with our all-new GeForce RTX platform, fuses together real-time ray tracing, artificial intelligence, and programmable shading. You've never created and enjoyed games like this before. Ray tracing is the definitive solution for lifelike lighting, reflections, and shadows, offering a level of realism far beyond what's possible using traditional rendering techniques. NVIDIA Turing is the first GPU capable of real-time ray tracing. To ensure outstanding performance, MSI Gaming Desktops are equipped with an exclusive and powerful cooling system called Silent Storm Cooling. Utilizing separate chambers that individually handle the cooling of different components within the system, Silent Storm cooling design makes sure the system's temperature stays perfectly under control for a cool and silent system. Going to a LAN party, a friend, or you just feel like you want to bring your gaming desktop anywhere you go. A useful handle situated on the chassis of the case can be used to pick up and carry this gaming beast around from one gaming den to the next. The first product on the list is the Trident X knife. Trident X is the world's smallest gaming desktop to incorporate Intel-registered 9th Gen Core i9 CPU. Take a huge leap in performance with the first ever 8-core i9-9900K processor. Experience boosted gameplay and faster rendering by up to 50% performance. This revolutionary architecture, combined with our all-new GeForce RTX platform, fuses together real-time ray tracing, artificial intelligence, and programmable shading. You've never created and enjoyed games like this before. Ray tracing is the definitive solution for lifelike lighting, reflections, and shadows, offering a level of realism far beyond what's possible using traditional rendering techniques. NVIDIA Turing is the first GPU capable of real-time ray tracing. GeForce RTX gaming GPUs come loaded with next-generation GDDR6 memory, support for DirectX 12 features, and more. This is graphics reinvented. MSI Gaming Desktop is built with MSI fan cooling graphics cards, the GeForce RTX 20 series graphics cards. Besides performance being up to 40% better than GeForce GTX 10 series, MSI GeForce RTX 20 series cards also have enhanced cooling efficiency, featuring a dual fan design and the double ball bearings to ensure long-lasting performance. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.